We'll see what happens, right? Gapped up. Whoo! Yesterday was another good. Well, not another. Yesterday was a good day. Day trading. My swing trades fought back hard at the end. I'm not gonna lie, they fought back hard. They were looking bad, but they finished pretty flat. I'm not gonna lie, pretty flat. Okay, let's see how this market brings us. We did have unemployment claims. It doesn't look like we have anything else that's going to stand in our way. So we should be okay. See if we can make some money today. All right, getting just set up over here. If you have any questions, type them in our private WebEx. Right? Type them in our private WebEx. Ticks are 570-ish. Good. So I am going to already look at the long side. Right? Look at the momentum. I'm going to probably be looking at the 96s. 96s. And again, I'm just going to trade. I'm going to talk about everything that I'm doing. I'm not going to go into any of the rules, but if you have a question on what I'm doing, type it in. Okay, I don't have time. I'm here to trade and just talk about it. So again, if you don't know something, it's your responsibility to learn it, right? Why we draw this, why we do that. So in the first 15 minutes, I'm only looking to do the advanced strategy. That's it. Just like always. Let me start marking some levels. I'm going to mark that at 60. I really hope we can have a nice, strong update today. That would be great. All right. Everything's good. We're set up. Ready to rock. And there we go. Let's go ahead and mark here. Purple. One. There we go. Bam. So I am looking to go long on a breakthrough 69.50. At this moment, I'm not interested in a breakdown, as that could lead to a trap or could lead to a fake out. I want to take that pop up through there. Setup number 1 on the advanced. Okay. All right. Setup number 1 on the advanced. Watch out for the traps. Okay. Came down in this area. These first 15 minutes, actually the first 30 minutes, What's up, Malik? What's up? What's up? Good to see you, my man.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Hey, we're keeping that journal, too, of the aggressive. Everything's looking good. We are 33 trades into it. We'll go over the results afterwards. All right. What I do want to do is again, I'm not interested in this. It's kind of moving down. This market gapped up. People might be taking some profit. Just going to be patient. Just be patient. It was up 11, so kind of selling off. I do like TPR, just so y'all know. TPR. Dang it. Come on, man. Sustain it, fuckers. I'm just doing a couple things on the other screen. I'm not interested in going short. I'm not. I think this is going to reverse hard on people. There it is. You know, I do like TPR for a low probability flag. You see on the... Boom, I just got filled on TPR.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, I just took that trade right now. Since I'm not interested in going short, I just wanted to jump in there. That's my low probability trade. Well, boom, there you go. All right, we'll see how it goes. All right, let me get back to the market here. Selling off. We've pretty much given up the entire early lead. All right, well, that sucks. Gapped up, you know, selling off. People taking some profit. VIX shot up. Now we went negative. That's interesting. Dow Jones is also went negative. Okay, well, that's not good. It's not good at all. See if we can fight back a little bit, right? I mean, market gapped up big. Ticks are still positive, though. All right, now I can focus back on the market. And it was a low probability flag that I took, right? Closer to resistance. It's a low probability, but I will take it. You know, I'm just going to change the way I do things, right? One contract, zone to zone, conservative. We're still positive here. Market's down 7, though. This is kind of surprising that we weren't able to sustain any juice. Nothing here. Huh. Ticks have not flipped, so this could reverse. Again, the market will not sustain any downward momentum without the ticks. It will not happen. All right. Market's down 7. I mean, look, guys, we popped through this, and, you know, again, it was kind of unexpected. I saw that more reversing. It didn't. Momentum starting to pick up to the downside. Not good. Everything flipped on me. I was up so much. What happened? Everything was looking good there a minute ago. You son of a bitch. But y'all saw yesterday, this market was down big, and it fought all the way back. That was crazy how that rebounded. All right. Nothing we can do right now, y'all. Nothing we can do right now. I mean, I could put on another little baby hedge, you know, kind of like just, again, insurance for today in case this market collapses. I think I'll do that. I'm going to buy some insurance just in case. Call it my insurance, right? Just in case this market decides it wants to get destroyed. Again, when I do insurance, it's because I'm heavily positive delta. I don't want to win on the insurance. I just want to protect myself in case of a disaster. Like yesterday, the insurance I put in place, it was paying off, but then the market reversed, so it kind of didn't help me. But again, it didn't matter. I don't want to collect on that. I'm doing it in this case since we sold off, we gave up that early lead. I'm just putting a couple insurance moves in place just in case that this market goes crazy. I'm way more to the upside. All right, we're kind of stalling here. All right, so let's do this. I am going to start marking some stuff up. There we go. Let's mark it up. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and thicken this up. We still got a little bit of time, but I'm going to go ahead and give that a thickness of a 2 now. Okay. Thickness of 2. Actually, no. Let's do this. No. Let's do this. I forgot. You can erase it because, look, remember the software draws it for you. You have access to that in the members area. So now, draw a new line. They get 69.50. Yep, 69.50 here. So we doubled it up. We got a couple more minutes. There we go. A couple more minutes. So you can see we doubled up this key area right here. We have a key area here. I'm going to go ahead and erase it. I don't like it because the software will extend it. Market has given up that entire early lead. We gapped up. We're selling off. I got some insurance in place just in case this shit falls apart on us. Still waiting patiently. Still watching. All right. And now we're moving into the our next opportunities, right? That first one, you know, went down. We didn't have the signal, so we backed off. No big deal. I don't care about missing stuff, right? If it's my trade, I'm going to take it every single time. Just like that option trade that I took right now. It's a beautiful flag, giving a conservative entry into the flag. It's a lower probability, so I traded accordingly. If it loses, if it loses. If it wins, it wins. It doesn't matter. You take your shots every single time, period. Every time. You cannot pick and choose. Let me find something real quick. Where's that? Yes. What's that? You cannot. Hang on. I'm looking for a little index card that I have. Hang on. All right. Again, so I'm just waiting. Got a couple minutes. I'm trying to find a Syndex card of my futures. Where's it at? Huh. What is it? I lost something. Son of a bitch. Shit. Damn it. I lost my little index card. What's up? And I'll tell you everything I'm doing. Don't worry. We're going to wait. We got 30 more seconds. I'm looking for something. I lost it. I got index cards with notes and everything. What the fuck do I do with it? Absolutely can't find it. That's insane. All right. Let's get ready. Let's mark this. Next opportunities. 1875. Market. I'm going to call that that new one that we're working on the aggressive setup number 1. Okay. And then setup number 2. And I'm going to type in our WebEx right now. Okay, so that's kind of how I'm working here. So the aggressive has 2 setups so far. First one is going to be setup 1, setup 2. All right. It's kind of like our advanced, right? Well, maybe I'm just going to call it strategy. It might make it easier. Like, for example, the advanced has 4 strategies. No. Hang on. Confusing myself. The advanced is a strategy. It has 4 setups. There you go. The aggressive is a strategy. Has 2 setups. Okay. Again, one of them is brand new. We've taken 4 trades. 3 winners, 1 loss. So it's brand new. And the other one is still new, but we're at 33 trades. Setup 1, setup 2. All right, we're going back up a little bit. Again, I bought insurance just in case this market falls apart. But understand, if you do that, you got to be willing to lose it. You're not buying insurance because you're trying to trade it. You're buying insurance, putting it on. And in my case, at 2:30, between 2 and 3 o'clock, I guess, you can just either let it expire worthless or you just cash it out. Okay? In case it falls apart. And the only reason I did that was because the market opened up big. Then it sold off and went negative. So I'm like, you know what? Just in case. Had the market not went negative, I probably wouldn't have done that. But that's why I did it. That's why I did it. Also, when the market opens up down, if it breaks our 30-minute low to the downside, I buy insurance if I'm heavily weighted. My delta is super positive. That's why. All right, so we're coming into this VWAP. Right, we got some key areas. We got a key area here, key area here. There's not much room. Right? There's not much room. Actually, this is a pretty big range. Actually, there's a lot more room than I think it is. If you're going to trade, you can do a setup number 2 on the advanced inside this range. But since it's the 15-minute, actually, no, you're not allowed to do that. I forget, it's the 15-minute, not the 30. I'm looking for my damn note card. I don't know where the hell it went. Did it fall fucking ground? What is it, dude? I got a note card. That's weird. Can't find it. All right. Again, I will call out every single thing I'm doing. If you want to know why, all right. So coming back as the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is fighting back again. On the insurance, I want to lose. I want to lose. But it's everybody cool on why we put the insurance. Again, the reason why is I'm so heavily bullish delta. I just bought another fucking swing trade a minute ago. I'm in like a lot. The most I've been in a while. Fighting back. All right, that's good. The market's resilient, right? Traded down. Boom. So far, though, it's undecided. Look at the ticks. So I like how the ticks are climbing. We have not had an opportunity for any trade yet. Okay. All right. And for those of you that are into crypto, right? I know we have this WhatsApp group, but we're starting a Telegram group. We just started it. We have 7 people in there. It's going to be mainly talking about crypto. And it's not really trading. It's just more like podcast talking about crypto, doing that. So what I can do if y'all want, we're trying to build it up. So if you want to join, I think it'd be cool. Let me find the link. Hang on. There it is. I'm going to post it on this group right here. I would encourage y'all to join. We're going to do a lot of talking about crypto. And since crypto is really heating up, you might want to jump in there with us. We're planning on, doing some like podcasts and some stuff in there. So I'm going to post it in our little group right now. Boom. And there we go. I posted it. Just join it. We're looking to build it up with good people, man. And y'all are all great, obviously. But you got to be into crypto because it's going to be primarily talking about XRP, Bitcoin, doing podcasts, doing like a live stream every once in a while. It's going to be good. It's going to be completely separate from YouTube. It's mainly a hangout area. So just click on the link and join. All of y'all. Well, if you're into crypto, which I think all of y'all are. So I could use some members too. I want good members, man. People that we can shoot the shit and really do great. All right. So just click the link and it'll take you in Telegram. I'm not used to Telegram, but I think it's free. It's absolutely free. But you can only get it via invite. Again, market's undecided. Back off. Remember, our WhatsApp groups are for the course, right? Or questions related to the trading, stuff like that. The Telegram is just going to be to hang out, right? Do some podcasts. Get some people talking about some XRP, some Bitcoin. And I know y'all like that shit. I saw some stuff that, again, I'm talking because I'm not doing nothing. I saw some stuff today on Fox and Friends. They were talking about crypto and they were not sure, right? They were talking about how do you do it, right? Nobody knows, man. It's crazy. Mainstream media were talking about it and they're like, yeah, really not sure how it works. And this, wow. Ahead of everybody. This is a once in a 3 lifetime opportunity. Again, right now, the market's undecided. I'm not doing nothing. We could look to take a bounce off of this VWAP. But the issue is we got it's coming close to that time where the follow-through won't be too much. Get markets flat. We'll see, right? Everything's looking okay. I'd love to see this market shoot up like a rocket ship. All right. Hopefully you come back, Roy. Hopefully you're back, brother. See, we could look to go long, but we'd have to target 60. Yeah, I'm just going to see, we're sinking through that view. Damn, market's back negative. Can't decide. Went back red on the day. Fuck. Cannot decide what it wants to do. Come on. Patience. Undecided market. We'll be there, though. Again, I really would love for this market to finish positive today. I got so many freaking positions. It's insane. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 short-term active swing trades. 9 of those motherfuckers. shit. It's crazy. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put a target on Shopify plus 50% just in case. 745. Right? 745. Just in case it wants to hit my target, I'll be taking it. Foxa? How many days have I been in Foxa? Yeah, I'm not doing nothing right now, guys, so that's why I'm just doing this. Staying 265. I'm staying. There we go. Yeah, we're good. All right, again, we're hugging this. It's looking like we're going to have to now wait for our 30-minute, right? But that's where most of the action takes place anyway. So just sit tight, get ready. Not much going on right this second, okay? We are definitely not going to do anything unless we get that signal. What is it? Oh, shit. All right. Market's back down to fucking 3, dude. Jeez. What trade did I just get into? TPR. Come on, baby. Fight back. I'm going to go ahead and clear the active trader. All right, let me go ahead and get ready to type in our group here on the key levels here. Hang on. Not much happening yet. That's fine. Very, very, very nothing. I don't even know the fucking word. But very nothing. What the hell does that mean? Very nothing. In day trading, it's just about being patient, following your plan. That's it. We have our plan. Just we need to stay patient. That's what it is, my friends. Come on, market. Oh, but man, remember yesterday, that market was down big and it fought all the way back. I mean, I have insurance in case it collapses. I don't have a lot of insurance, but I do have some insurance in case it fucking collapses. So now I want us to back off. We need to back off. Cool. And wait. Market's down 6, super flat. Super duper flat. All right, we got 45 seconds. And then the pre-market traders, it should be cleared out. And now we can see if the institutions are going to come in during this New York session, right? First 30 minutes is more of a clearing range session. We're going to see if there's any institutional presence. And that's in 20 seconds. So get ready. I'm going to type in the key levels. And we're now going to get ready to act accordingly in 7 seconds. So far, flat market. No, there's no, oh shit. That kind of shot up. What the hell? It gapped up. What the hell? Hang on. I didn't see that. '85s. Actually, I'm going to go the '86s. Okay, it gapped back down. So I didn't like it. Yeah, I'll wait for it to go. So I'm not in any trade. That happened. Crazy. So I'm going to be looking at probably the 86 puts. The 86 puts, either advanced or aggressive. Okay, I'm on nothing. So the 86, y'all know, on the setup number 1 with the aggressive, I'm only going to do 1. And then what I've decided was on the aggressive number 2, I'm going to do 2 because that'll give me 3 total. So I'm not going to do 3 because I'll be in it for 3. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That's what I'm doing. And I'm going to switch it to the 85s. It moved up a little bit too much, so I'm going to switch it to the 85s. I'm going for 20 points. That's what I'm going for. 85s. No hard stop either. That's what I decided. No hard stop. In case this market gets out of hand on us. Dude, FTNT is getting destroyed. How did I not get out of that trade? I had a stop loss. What the fuck, dude? Huh. All right, I'm going to go short now. And I will add, I'm going to shoot for 20 points. Okay. I'm going to be looking to add to this trade also. That's weird. I'm in FTNT. It says I'm down, but yet it gapped up. How's that fucking possible? It's probably the spreads. Oh, well. I'm not down. That's weird. I'm going to add. Okay, 57, 58. All right, so they're pretty much similar. So basically, I'm in now for a couple positions. And I will jump out. No hard stop loss. Technical exit, okay? So I'm going to be watching to jump out on a technical exit. No hard stop. I don't mind taking shots, right? That's what we do. Not focusing on the P&L at all. All right. Again, I got a hard target at 20 on both. That's it. You just manage this trade based on your rules, not the P&L. Market's down 14. Okay. Since I'm already in for multiple, it's going to be hard for me to add to this trade via the advanced, if that happens. But I will do that if we break down. I might look to add via the advanced. Okay? If I can actually, with the advanced, I'm going to type in our chat. Okay, pay attention to that. In this trade, just be patient, right? Again, this is our aggressive. I entered on setup 1, added on setup 2, and I will jump out quickly if it just reverses on me. Remember, that's what the name of the game is going to be. Just stick to your plan. I will look to add to this trade again on an advanced entry technique. If we pop through this bottom, I will look to add. Okay. So I'm going to be looking to add to this trade if we can get us an entry signal to the downside. Again. Right now, just back off. These ticks are positive, so I don't like that. I think what I'll do is I'm going to move that down to 67 and 68. So I'll only go for the 10 cents because those ticks are positive. I'm going to shoot for 10 cents on the option. And I've got all 3 contracts at the 10 cents because they're positive. Bam. Target. 1 target hit. Target hit. I just got plus 30. I just got plus 30. Boom. I went for 10 because of the ticks. There we go. Boom. Plus 30 on that one. Now it can go back up if it wants. I'll be looking to add to this trade. Not add to it. I don't have a position. I'll be looking to get right back in on the advance. Okay, so I got me plus 30. Now I'm looking to go short. And I'm going to be looking at the... Let's see here. Which one am I going to be looking at? Wow, that was great, guys. I'm going to be looking at the 85s. 85s to go short. 85s to go short. And I'm going to look to go... Actually, no, watch all the information. Let me just set up. All right, there we go. 85s to go short. Bam, there we go. We can go back up now. Bam. That's the way to do it. Plus 30. Woo! Y'all know why I changed my target, right? Remember what we said. Right? Plus 30. Fucking Renee, get the fuck out of here. Piece of shit, get the fuck out of here. Fucking clown. Right. Market's back 12. Ticks are picking back up. Got a little baby fake out down there. I don't think it went 1 point, though. Actually, it did. It's a baby fake out. I'm going to mark that blue. Might have another opportunity if you want. I'm pretty close to hitting my target on Shopify, plus 50. Charles being out of town, it's quiet, right? All right. Just gotta be patient. Anybody else get any action on that? It was a clean, easy trade. Another clean, easy trade. Market's down 15. We've been living here in that range, which is kind of interesting. Because the market is down, you would expect us kind of living in that range. But we are starting to pick up a little bit on the action. Okay. So you might have another opportunity to jump back in via an aggressive. But I will be honest, I'm not going to do that. If I take that shot, I get my points with sink back down. I'm not giving that back. I'd rather focus on more of my advanced technique. Market's picking up. Ticks are now 635. This market is free to go to the moon. Okay? It's free to go to the moon. What was great was we had, if you noticed, there wasn't any follow through in that down move because of what I'm typing in the chat. Right there. That's why I changed my target. Nailed it. That's how you trade, guys. That's how you do it. All right. There we go. Go back up now. Up. Go up. There we go. Look at it. Ticks. 851. 851. Momentum coming back in. Momentum coming back in. Da, 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 da. We love it. All right. Collapsing through there. That's good. 900. 900. Ticks are picking up 900. 900. Hopefully y'all got out when you were supposed to get your out like I did, right? Target. Y'all know you were supposed to adjust your target based on the information. If you didn't, you probably are wishing you did. Trading is nothing more than following your plan and executing it every time. That's it. When people realize that, they're going to say, oh, well, trading's not that hard. No, it's not. It's not. The hardest part is just coming up with a plan. But you ain't got to do that, right? We already got the plan. Just follow it. All right. We're busting up through this VWAP. You could look to take a, if you can close up here, you could look to take a setup number 2 off the VWAP to the upside on the advanced. Right? Going to be answering my phone, right? All right, so you could be looking to take a setup number 2 off of the VWAP. Setup number 2 off of the VWAP. So that's what you'd be looking for. So you got to understand the 4 setups. They're in the course, all 4. So you could look for setup 2 off the VWAP. Okay. Go up, market. Go up. You know what? While I'm just kind of chilling, I might go take a look at Bitcoin. Let's just check it out, right? Oh, I was watching the Equalizer, right? The Equalizer television show. And they were talking about Bitcoin. Oh, my God, dude. They were like, yeah, he's laundering money through Bitcoin. It was so funny. And 97,000. So nothing's really jumping out so far today. Ethereum's back. Actually, Ethereum's popping up. That's good. All right. Kind of looking at it while we're making good decisions over here. Look, we're back inside that range. Got our money. That might be it for a little while, which is fine. I'll take the plus 30 all day. Hopefully you guys got some of that action. If you didn't, let me know. If you did, let us know, right? This is about helping each other out. You know, again, I'm just trading. I'm calling out every single thing that I do, and then some. There's nothing more I can do except answer your questions. That was an easy entry. That trade was about as easy as it gets because I wasn't looking at the P&L at all. Yesterday, do you understand? Let's switch gears to swing trading options. If I would have looked at the P&L yesterday in the morning, I probably would have went crazy. I might have closed out all of those trades. By the afternoon, they have rebounded. They didn't go crazy, but they rebounded. That's why you cannot look at the P&L. That a boy. Damn. That a boy, Jeff. That's awesome. That's how you do it. Me too.
Scaling up. Scaling up already. Yep.
That's it. And that's what I went for. I shot for 20. I adjusted to 10 based on the information. And that was it. All right. So if you want to take a trade to the upside via the advanced, you can do it. This is setup number 2. If you want. Setup 2. Advanced. All right. So I'm going to mark this black. Oops. Mark it black. Give it a width of 1. Black. 1. Okay. You can take this bounds. Setup number 2. Off of the VWAP. If you want to trade it. Okay. Inside the range. Again, I'm trading it based on the price action, not a hard target. And I'm only looking for 5 points. 5 points is all I'm going to look for inside the range. Okay? So I am going to look to get into this trade to the upside. I am looking to do it. I will look to get in. I'm going to look at the call options on the 90, probably the 93. The 93 call options, I will look to get in, shooting for 5. Right now. I'll tell you when that's invalidated. I'm just adjusting the levels. Okay. Looking for our setup number 2 until it's invalidated. In a minute, I'll switch to setup 3, or I will call it invalidated. This candle has 30 seconds left. but I will look to go long, and I'm shooting for 5 points. That's it. I'll tell you what I'm doing, though. Do not worry. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. What was that? Oh, my God. I just targeted out on Shopify. Okay, no. Back off. Back off. Okay. So now what I want you to do is I want you to erase this line. I'm looking for setup number 3 now. Setup number 3. Okay. And I just targeted out of Shopify plus 50 within 5 days. So I'm looking for setup number 3 to the upside. I'll tell you when I'm doing it. Not yet. Just marking different levels. Okay, not yet. So far, no dice. No dice. There's no sustained movement yet. So we're going to have to back off of that. Okay. Didn't happen. No harm, no foul. Let me type in our group. I just targeted out of Shopify plus 50 in 5 days. That's how you do it, right? Still rolling. All right. Again, everything's cool. Marcus 4. We're good. Again, just like what's happening, right? I love what's happening, baby. Shopify was a low probability trade that just lit it up. Come on, market. Sustain yourself, market. Man, this is just flopping around like a little noodle. All right, so if you want to take an aggressive, you can look to get back in via another aggressive. Okay? You can look to get back in via another aggressive. Probably the 86s. I wouldn't do this. I would only do the setup number 2 on the aggressive. Okay. Setup number 2 on the aggressive. I am going to look to take it. Man, I don't like how it gapped up. I am going to take it. I am going to take it. Roy, there's been a lot of action, Roy. Lots of action over here. I got in another one, and I'm looking for my 20. We're plus 30 already. Targeted out of Shopify. Trading all over the place, guys. Back in it to the downside. This is basically a second chance opportunity. Market's back down to 15. It cannot decide what it wants to do. I'm shooting for 20. As a matter of fact, I'm going to switch it and I'm going to shoot for 10. I'm going to adjust. Okay, I'm going to adjust to 10. So that first trade, we nailed it. Again, I normally don't take 2, but I figure, you know what? I'm just going to follow the plan and do it, right? Just keep following it. All right. Again, I'm shooting for 10, and I will adjust if necessary. I got in at 70, so I'm just looking to get out at 80. You know, market has not had much sustained movement, which is fine. You know, again, I prefer this market to go up. I'm in a lot of trades to the upside. Lots of trades to the upside. We have shifted to negative. So if we cross negative 100, I'll move it back to 20. Well, I already hit my target. I got another 10. Damn! I didn't have a chance to move it to 20. Bam! Another 10. I'm sorry, 20, not 10, because I did two contracts. That's crazy. Plus 50. All right. So there we go. I'm out. I got another one. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, that's killing it. All right. So there we go. Now I won't take any more aggressive. I can promise you that. That's plus 50. Boom, that was a quick buck. All right. That was a quick buck. Yeah, it happened fast, right? Well, we can look now if I want to take the advanced. I might look to take another trade to the downside, to be honest with you. The 85s. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I'm going to look to take the 85s. 85s to the downside. On my advanced. Yeah. If we go through 11, I'll jump right back into the downside. But that one I'll get out fast. That's my advanced. Everything looks good. I'll enter on 11. When I pop through that line, I'll enter short, but I get out quick on those. Y'all know that. Bam. All right. I'm going to enter on that. I'm going to sell one or like half. So I sold half. Okay, went down, and then I will exit. This is quick. You got to be. I'll go flat. I'm still in it. I've already sold half. I'm going to dump it if we go back up to that 14. I'm just watching it. Still in this advanced. I've already sold half of my position, so 25 contracts I've already sold. I'm going to go flat. Okay. Again, I don't mess around. So on that trade, basically it's probably a break-even-ish. You know, I sold half, up, down half. Yeah. Again, with my advanced technique, and again, I don't mess around. I need to see it pop. Yep. Basically, that one was pretty much doing nothing. But that's okay. I don't mess around. I'm already up quite a bit. I really don't want to. Got in late for 7 cents and 20 seconds. Bam! Yeah, I mean, that's how you do it, right? I haven't looked at that P&L because I'm trying to trade it, but yeah, it's I mean, it went down. I sold half, started to go back up. I just dumped it. One thing about the advance, I've got a very specific management. So that's, I mean, I'm good. I'm going to take my plus 50. That trade right there was about break even. I might have made 1 cent. I don't know, but either way, that's what I got. So here is the morning. So look at Tony. Tony put, good morning. Huge morning. Yes. Yes. Love it. Good morning, T-Money. All right. So here is the deal. Renee, he left. He messaged me and he said, yeah, it's just too hard for me to keep up with all the stuff. All right. So here's the deal, my friends. For those of you watching as a member on YouTube, if you'd like to join us inside the university, check in the description, right? And we teach coaches, go over the rules, give you the course material. Cool. Everybody else in here, stay. We're going to continue to trade. We'll do a Q&A. I'll talk about any trades if you want. And then we're going to get into our option swing trading. All right. Peace out. Y'all stay in the room.